Alright, my favorite part. Replacing the bushings. If you look at the bushings, there's a gap, there's a flap on this. It faces down. So you know that if they face down, I'll show you here real quick, they're facing down. That's the way they gotta go in. That one's like it. That one's like it. They're all like it. They all should be the same. If they're not facing down, they've got them wrong. Somebody's installed them wrong. So they all should be facing down the way they screw in. So there you go. Now that you've discovered that, how do you get these off? There's two ways to get them off. You can try to pry them down, or you can do them simply like this. I just work them back and forth. If you feel uncomfortable doing it like this, set up a pair of pliers. Or vice grips, I mean. Just be careful. And you can go this way too. Cut them right off. Now, I always suggest when you're putting your new ones on to lubricate them, but they'll slip right on. So you can do one at a time. However you want to do it. Take them, slice them down. Some of them just crumble off because they're so dry right, nobody ever changed them, but you can get them off and change them real quick. And there you have it.